Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. So first of all, launch open Facebook Messenger application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the chats interface. So simply tap on the one-to-one chat where you want to turn on the Vanish mode. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. So if you want to turn on the vanish mode, simply tap on this icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply scroll down. Now in the section for privacy and support at second, you'll be able to find the option for disappearing messages. Simply tap on it. Now right now it is off. You can see over here if you turn it on, the messages will disappear after the selected duration. Over here you'll be able to find the option for 24 hours, so simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, the messages will disappear after 24 hours, so simply go back. Now you can see over here the disappearing messages will be on. So like this, you'll be able to turn on the vanish mode. So that is how you turn on vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.